My main YouTube channel just hit 100,000 subscribers, but I am not a rich man, at least not yet. Actually, the exact moment it hit 100,000 subscribers, I was shopping in Lidl. Now, I love Lidl, but it's hardly a millionaire's playground. Most people think that if you have loads of subscribers, then you must be making some serious bucks, but that is rarely the case. There are 4 brutal lessons that I was not aware of when I first started my main YouTube channel just over 3 years ago. And learning them the hard way meant that I didn't start making a decent income from YouTube until around 6 months ago. And I'm sharing these lessons with you today so you don't have to sit there and watch your subscriber count grow and wonder why your bank account isn't. And the first lesson is that subscribers do not equal income. If that was actually the case, then my revenue graph would be trending upwards, whereas in reality, it looks more like a lie detector. YouTube used to push your videos directly to your subscribers simply because they subscribed. But these days, the algorithm will push your videos to whoever it thinks will like them, and it doesn't matter if they've subscribed or not. So more subscribers doesn't guarantee more views, and it certainly doesn't guarantee more money. And that brings me on to my second brutal lesson, which is that not all views are equal. My main YouTube channel is in the self-defense niche. In the last 28 days, we pulled in a very respectable 1.3 million views. And from that, we earned just over £2,300. And that works out to a whopping £1.77 per 1,000 views. And that was a really good month as well. On an average month, we bring in, say, 300,000–400,000 views, and that nets us closer to around £600 in ad revenue. Meanwhile, a finance or a business channel getting a fraction of our views could easily pull in 5 times what we're making in ad revenue. And that's because advertisers will pay a premium to reach those specific viewers. But since I learned what I'm about to tell you, I was able to massively boost my income without worrying about AdSense or getting millions of views. And that is, you need to have something to sell. You need to have a business, not just a channel. A few months ago, I spoke with an accountant who has his own YouTube channel, and it's smaller than mine, maybe 50,000 subscribers, and it gets nowhere near the amount of views that we get. So you can imagine my shock when he told me that last year his business did £3 million in revenue directly driven by his YouTube channel. My main channel didn't have anything to sell for the first 2.5 years. We literally just posted videos and we collected the AdSense money. But then 6 months ago, we started offering self-defense seminars, workshops, and we even launched an online course. In the last 6 months, we've made £4,920 from our ad revenue. We've made over £14,000 from selling our products and services, which is brilliant considering I only spend a couple of hours a week running my main channel. And we've only posted 88 videos on YouTube and a couple of shorts. I think on average I've posted 1 video every 13 days. I've got an amazing career as an international security advisor. I travel a lot all over the world, so I had to build the kind of channel, the kind of business that would bring me a nice second income with only a few hours of effort a week. Otherwise I would have just burned out. But here's where it gets really interesting. None of our sales came directly from a YouTube video. YouTube captured my audience's attention, but the actual sales came from somewhere else entirely. They came from our mailing list. If you make a video or a community post on YouTube, only a small fraction of your audience is ever going to see it. Your most loyal and passionate subscribers might not buy what you're offering simply because they weren't on YouTube on the day that you posted your offer on the community wall. But if you send an email directly to their inbox, then chances are they're going to see it. So try to get at least some of your audience onto a mailing list so you can reach them directly with your offer. The way I think about running a business on YouTube is like running a shop on the high street. Your YouTube channel is your shop front, and you can make your shop front look really nice by making lots of free content, so when people stumble across it, they look at it, they're impressed by it, and they get a feeling for what you're all about. But they won't buy what you're selling if they stay outside your shop. So your goal is to bring them inside the shop. Getting a YouTube viewer onto your mailing list is bringing that person inside your shop. And once they're in, then you can do business with them. I missed out on a lot of potential income from not thinking about a mailing list or products and services until I was a couple of years in. And I won't be making that same mistake on this new YouTube channel. And that's why before I even made this video, I quickly set up a very basic landing page and a mailing list. If you click the link in the description below, you can join my mailing list today. I'll be sending you direct advice to help you grow your audience and your income on YouTube without burning yourself out. Because I was able to do it while I was managing my career, traveling the world, and I enjoyed every step of the way. I don't believe the common advice that tells you to post every day and run yourself into the ground.